Hi, I'm Jeremy Engle, a staff editor with the Learning Network, and I'll be introducing one of our weekly features, Film Club. Each week in Film Club, we feature a short documentary film published in the New York Times, drawn from video series like Pop Docs, Diary of a Song, Modern Love, and Conception. Selecting our films, we look for powerful and diverse non-fiction films that are both engaging and accessible to youth. Through the diverse films we feature in Film Club, we ask students to think deeply about a variety of themes like race, gender identity, technology and society, civil rights, criminal justice, ethics, artistic and scientific discovery. Each Film Club entry begins with an essential question to help frame the lesson, such as, what does it take to create a hit song in the internet age? What can we learn about our country from how others see us? To encourage thoughtful and honest dialogue, each week we pose the same set of open-ended questions. What moments in this film stood out to you? Why? Were there any surprises? Anything that challenged what you know or thought you knew? What messages, emotions, or ideas will you take away from this film? What connections can you make between this film and your own life or experience? Does this film remind you of anything else you've seen or read? If so, how and why? And we invite students to share their thoughts with us in the comments section. In a 2018 reader idea from Michael Kellogg, an English teacher in Florida, described how he uses it in his AP capstone program to expand his students' awareness of other countries and cultures to help them explore their own beliefs. In a final student reflection, one of his students, then 9th grader Valenza Charles, wrote, "Throughout the year, the Film Club assignments have actually helped me to learn about new things. I learned that scientists are working to help those with missing limbs in the film The Bionic Man. I learned about a language that's on the verge of extinction, how one person is attempting to save it, from the film Who Speaks Wakchumni. I have constantly thought about the lives and troubles of people like the ones in the film Arctic Boyhood and Death Row Doctor. Learning about these two different people and how they live their lives has opened my eyes to different cultures and lifestyles." Film Club offers teachers another tool in their toolbox. It helps students to develop visual literacy skills, tackle important, sensitive, and difficult topics, deepen their understanding and appreciation of good storytelling, make connections between their own experiences and a given film, and connections between films and the world. So please join us each week for Film Club. And if you're looking for more film options, check out our Film Club Spotlight section with a list of over 100 past films and lessons.